is from Navy Pro Tools. It is that nice, thin, thicker side to that one. Next, I am taking that sharper edge and I run perpendicular with the nail. So I am flat. Okay. And I am just scraping anything that is on the nail. And you don't need to do a lot of pressure, it just glides over. There we go. That was a good one. All of that buildup on the nail. It's so satisfying. These are probably 3.5 weeks old, so I tend to get quite a lot of buildup. And I realized the little thing that focuses was like down here. I guess technically, since it's reversed, it was down there. But anyway, I digress. We are fully prepped and ready to go. So let's infill these and create my New Year's nails. Starting off with Young Nails Protein Bond, and this is my favorite primer. A little bit goes a long way. So I am just putting this on the new growth, and then anything left on the brush, I just run down the rest of the nail. So it just creates that nice sticky layer. Grabbing my tried and true gelish foundation.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. bass guitar. Simmer down and mash me up. Tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. And I drumming round in your red Ford. Shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me haunting, haunting. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word. 'Cause you got me haunting, haunting. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word. 'Cause you got me haunting, haunting. Hold on. And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And
Here is the final look, and I am going to have to get a awesome shot of it in that flash gel, but I'm truly obsessed. Again, here is the color. Like, it is just so beautiful. So I figured it would be a perfect time to break out the Modelones cuticle oil that they had sent over. Look at this packaging. Let me turn on the brightness some. Like, this is so pretty to keep on my desk. Okay, so it is plastic, so I don't have to worry about, you know, me breaking it. All right. So we have milk and honey, pomegranate, rose, and lavender. I have to say, I love that they include everything that is in here. I'm not sensitive to stuff like that, but I feel like a lot of people can be sensitive to different ingredients, so I'm super glad. Oh, and they're like, interesting. Okay. Oh, what is this one? This might be pomegranate. Oh my goodness. That one smells amazing. This is a very clean smell. I'm gonna go with that's lavender. So far, I'm obsessed that these are not super, super, super strong. This one, maybe the rose, or is this pomegranate? No, that's rose. And then this one is probably going to be your milk and honey. Yes. I'm obsessed with how clean smelling these are. This is my favorite, and this might be the pomegranate. Although this one was so good, the lavender. Okay, as I hit it. See, this is why I'm glad they weren't glass. Okay, I'm gonna use this guy. So I'm indifferent with this because it's not soft. Unless, oh, it is soft. It just had a, like, you know when you get new brushes, it has like that cornstarch. Okay, now, okay, much better. This is one that you're probably going to want to use just on yourself, just because of the way the applicator is. Unless you dip a new applicator in each time. This side's very dry because I just did it, so no judgment. And then I also like to go on the underside. Okay. Okay, super smooth. Very, what's the word I'm looking for? It like glides off. My skin just took that all in. That is how dry my hands are. You know, I'm gonna use a little more because I'm obsessed with how this smells. Yeah, so these are amazing. Like, I'm so like perplexed that there's no like residue. Like, how do I even describe that? Like, I can just go in and open a bottle and you're not like slip sliding, if that makes sense. So yeah, the smells are milk and honey, pomegranate, that rose, and then lavender. And the applicator, not sure. I'm gonna try to, the bubbles are going directly that way. So this is the one I use. You can see how fanned out it is. You just kind of gotta like break the applicator in, meaning just dissolve that, what I call, it's like the cornstarch that when you get a new brush, it is there. It just keeps the brush nice and together, so it's not like jagged. But glad I really played with that, because that was gonna be my probably only negative here. So this is my finished look. Always do this hand in a rush because this is like day 3 of me trying to do this. And I have some on my skin. Literally, like, my kid is just not having it this week, so I've been tired at the end of the day. But yeah, I will have to get some super flashy photos because this is a flash gel. And the color I am using is, oh, this is the one that I butchered. I think it's pretty. It's whatever this one is, okay? Whatever that one is. And again, I would like to thank Modelones for sending these over to me. I will make sure to link these below as well. So thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.